Los Angeles, California. The nice side of West Hollywood, to be exact. My name is Cassandra Cadwell. I'm 26 years old. I use a matcha-infused hair mask. It is an indulgent, aromatic experience of almonds that makes my hair feel like pure silk. To me, my hair is like spun gold, and that is exactly how I treat it. This video will show you the complete intricacies of my hair routine and the imperative use of my Aquas hair towel. The most important thing about my shower routine is that I use a top-of-the-line shower filter. The concept of unfiltered water touching my hair is absolutely unthinkable. After I remove the hair mask, I comb my hair with the utmost intention. I never pull, I never force, I only glide. As I look out my window, I count how many strokes I use. I never comb my hair unless there is filtered water running through it. I am careful to examine each shed hair strand to monitor the health of my hair. If it ever feels different, I know. I use a deep cleansing micellar water serum which I carefully massage into my scalp. In the shower, I'll use a sulfate and silicone-free baby blonde toning nutritive mask from France. It's by the brand Christophe Robin. Finally, a seaweed strengthening mask. I leave this on for a minimum of 5 minutes as I contemplate the skincare I will need for the day. The pinnacle of my shower routine is at the end when I use my Aquas hair towel. It dries hair absurdly fast, eliminating the need for a blow dryer. I never use heat on my hair. Heat causes damage and makes your hair look dead. It is important to dry hair fast. When hair is wet, it is weak, making it vulnerable and susceptible to breakage. I hate breakage. Weak, wet hair is not an option. As my hair is drying, I begin my skincare routine. I apply the Biologique Recherche Lotion P50, which I keep in my micro fridge to keep the potency at an optimal level. I always use a vitamin C serum as it encourages cell turnover. Without proper cell function, your face will look old. Then Vintner's Daughter Active Botanical Serum. Then a moisturizing oil-free water cream lotion made with a fermented trinity of uji green tea, mozuku algae, and akita rice from Japan. Followed by a final moisturizing protective silk-infused mist. I apply an alcohol and silicone-free, anti-breakage sandalwood hair cream with SPF 6 to protect my hair from sun damage. I will only ever use a pure silk hair tie on my hair. Anything less is simply not enough. There is an idea of a Cassandra Cadwell, some kind of abstraction, but there is no real me. Only an entity, something illusory. Though you can sense our lifestyles are probably comparable, I simply am not there.